Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to review Pixelfed app. Pixelfed is being touted as a fresh take on social media. At first glance, the app's clean interface really stands out. Think Instagram, but more minimalist, with a focus on creativity and authentic connections. When you open the app, you are greeted with the Explore feed, showcasing content tailored to your interests. The algorithm here, it's refreshingly different, more on that in a second. Pixelfed brands itself as anti-cloud. What does that mean? Well, it prioritizes authentic engagement over vanity metrics like follower counts and likes. You won't find public like counts or follower numbers here. It's all about the content and conversations. Posting on Pixelfed is super straightforward. You can upload videos, photos, or even short text-based posts. What is unique is the customizable privacy settings for each post. You can share a photo publicly with friends or even just close circles. Perfect for those who want more control over their audience. Now let's talk about features. One thing that sets Pixelfed apart is its creator hub. This space gives creators tools to monetize their content, whether through subscriptions, tips, or selling digital goods. Plus, the collab zone lets you find other users to collaborate with on creative projects. It's like Instagram meets LinkedIn for creators. Another cool feature, the Explore feed. Unlike Instagram's algorithm, Pixelfed uses a more transparent model. You can choose to see content chronologically based on your interactions or by trending topics. It feels way less manipulative than other platforms. But not everything is perfect. Pixelfed is still in its early stages, which means smaller user numbers compared to Instagram. While this can feel refreshing, the app doesn't yet have the community depth or niche specific content Instagram is known for. Also, some features like video editing are not as robust yet. One major plus though, Pixelfed is all about privacy. The app doesn't track your data for ads and even offers end-to-end encryption for chats. This is a game changer for anyone tired of feeling like their every move is being monitored online. So who is Pixelfed for? If you are a creator, someone looking for a less toxic social space, or just want a break from Instagram's algorithm, heavy experience, Pixelfed might be the perfect fit. It's refreshing, fun, and has a lot of potential, but it is not for everyone, especially if you are attached to Instagram's larger community or advanced features. And that's all for today's review of Pixelfed, the new Instagram alternative for 2025. Have you tried it yet or not? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.